Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. Now in this video I have got an absolutely awesome method to share with you where you can potentially earn over $4,000, and by the way you can earn a lot more literally with just a few clicks. Now you're probably thinking that sounds pretty scammy, and I completely agree. But as always, I'm going to share with you that this method works. I'll show you how you can actually set this up. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll share with you how you can speed up the entire process and actually make a lot more money with this method. Because once you set this up, it becomes a passive income. And over on my blog here, I share lots of different articles and methods of making money online. I've been doing this since 2017 over on the blog. And you know, we're always trialing things, we're always testing, and we're sharing results. So in today's video, let's jump into this method of making money online, because once you see how simple this is, you'll be pleasantly surprised, okay? So for this, we're going to come over here onto Etsy. Now, just scrolling up to the top, you can see I've just typed in math worksheets, all in capitals for some reason. And if you scroll down here, look at this here, 74,000 people, this is every single month, are typing in math worksheets. They're looking for math worksheets, which is a hell of a number, and it's only going to go up in time because, you know, more people are starting to homeschool and home educate their children. And, you know, these resources on here, they're great for teachers and, you know, people who are, well, either teaching classes, or they want a bit of homework, or they just want some simple, you know, math worksheets for the children at home. So we can see all of these different types on here. But I mean, if we scroll down the page, we'll just go through and have a look at these. But I mean, look at this one here, okay? It's £1.39. Now I'm in the UK, so that's UK pricing. And they've got 2,400 in sales for this here. So let's take this into the calculator, so I'll show you this. So £1.39 times 2,410. So in the calculator here, you can see 2,410. That equates to, in the UK pricing, £3,349. Now, if I take this over here into another calculator, which is, I'm literally converting it to dollars, we've got 3,349 in pounds. So in dollars, this here has earned, it's crazy, isn't it? $4,542 for this subtraction worksheet. And what is it? It's 20 worksheets. And if you go into here, you can have a look at this. And look, this is it. So it's a piece of paper with this on the top. So they've got a little border around here, and then they've got the numbers on here, and it's 20 printable worksheets, okay? And if we look at the actual seller, look, this over here, inside of their shop, they've had 36, where's it gone? It's disappeared. 36,888 sales of these online math digital printables, basically. And you can see on here they've currently got 636 of these on the website. It's just insane. The numbers are just crazy. Now, this is over on Etsy, obviously. Now, when I was doing some research for this previously, for a blog article, you know, I started looking at, you know, how much people are earning online. So we come over here. Now, we've got this over here. How much was this one over here? Look, if you get $500 to $1,000 per month, it's a realistic thing. So where's it gone here? Look, it would be totally realistic to aim for $500 to $1,000 per month as your printable goal. Now, bearing in mind, once you create this printable and you put it over onto Etsy, it's a passive income because you've done the work once, somebody purchases that, they get an instant download. $500 to $1,000 per month, it's not bad, is it? But that's, I mean, there's hundreds of these. So that's over on that website there. Over on this Making Sense of Sense, we have got someone here, look, they earned over $10,000 of revenue in 9 months. And then they're now earning $2,000 to $3,000 per month in nearly passive income. Again, it's a decent passive income, isn't it? Then we've got another one over here on this website called Financials, how to make $12,000 a year selling printables on Etsy. So a little over $1,000. And then you can literally, doing a bit of research, you'll find people like this one here over on Side Hustle Nation. Look, $10,000 a month selling digital products on Etsy. It's just awesome because, as I've mentioned here, you do this work once, and I'm going to show you how you can not do any of the work and speed up this entire process. But you can create these using a free piece of software like Canva, and you can create them and then upload them onto Etsy, and your work is done. Now, the thing what puts many people off is when they go ahead and listen to podcasts like this one over here, or they just even scroll through and have a read of the article. I mean, I'll see if we can find one down here. So how she got started, But basically, it's the whole method of creating these, these printables yourself. It takes time, it takes effort, and you can see on here, look, software and tools for creating printables. You can use free tools without the need for any experience. But basically, look, Canva is the main software. Most people in the printable markets use Canva. It's drag and drop, but you can see down here, look, this Microsoft Word for designing printables and designs and other bits. So it can be, well, it is time consuming, especially, I mean, like this one here, 20 printables, but look at this one here, 100 printables, 10 printables. So you'd have to create each and every printable on its own. But, when you start to stack up your time against, the potential with this method, it's still not a bad return. Now, recently, I went into selling printables online because of the numbers that we've just spoken about and looked at. Now, personally, I don't have time to sit creating these myself. So I use a piece of software, and I'll show you inside of this software now, because not only is it awesome, it's a few clicks and it's done, and it's incredibly cheap. But this is what, in fact, I'll go to the home page so you can see this. This is what it looks like on the home page. This is Ken down here. He is the creator of this software. He's got a welcome video in here, but I'll just show you, right? So I'm going to go to Printables. And in here, you can scroll down, and inside of the software, there is already, as you can see here, some borders inside of here for you, or you can create your own borders. So literally, create a border. So I'm just going to click on Use this border. And this is a border inside of the software. Now, we've got a few clicks and we are done. So you see up here, look, type of math operation. Do we want addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Pick any. So we'll go with addition. Difficulty, use numbers. Which set of numbers do you want to use? So we'll go with 10 to 99. Here's a cool part. How many pages do you want to use? Well, we'll go with 100, so you can see just how quick this is. Then we select the font. So select any font you want. The layout, do we want horizontal or vertical? And do we want to include answers, yes or no? And look, I'm going to leave the text as black, and if you wanted to, create a branding message on here, then you absolutely can do. So, once you're happy with that, you just click to continue, and if you just watch how quick it's gone, it's done. So you can see up here, look. Now, I have got over 100 printables, and the additional 26 pages are the answers to this. But what I could do now with this here is, I could download this 100 printable, addition math worksheets. I could take that over to Etsy and put that listing up. Pretty cool, I think you'll agree. And I've not done the work, I've done a few clicks and it's done. So that's the addition. But what if I wanted to, what if I now wanted to do subtraction and I wanted the layout different? I could go on horizontal and I'll click to continue, another 100 pages. And now look, I have got these. So what I could do is, see over here where this person is selling 20 printable edition worksheets. Well, guess what? I could sell 100 worksheets for the same price, undercut the market, and start getting some sales. So, or another thing you could do is you could actually bundle some of these together. So at this moment in time, I have got 100 addition worksheets. I have got 100 subtraction. I could then go back into the software and I could take the numbers up, or I could take the numbers down, and I could go with, let's just go with vertical, and we'll change this now to multiplication. And we'll click to continue, and here we go. Now we have got another 100 pages of multiplication math worksheets that we can sell over on Etsy. I think you'll agree, this software, it speeds up the entire process. It's incredibly simple, and with this, you can create as many of these math worksheets as you like. And if we go back over here onto Etsy, go up to the top, you remember there's 74,000 people a month who are actively searching for these worksheets. Now, if I scroll down here, I want to share with you one last thing. So if I come down here, see this one here, it says this is one of the best sellers here. So this Printables account here, they've not even been on Etsy that long. They've had 290 sales. And you can see on here, look, these are the types of worksheets they're doing. If we go into their shop, They've only got 36 listings up, but look what they're doing. Look, subtraction worksheet, 100 practice sheets. We could create them in the software. Come down here, look, multiplication and division, subtraction worksheets, addition worksheets. So you literally create these printables using the software, upload them onto Etsy, and then you're literally building up an online business which is passive. Because if I bought any of these now, like this one here, if I scroll down here, look, it's a digital download. So if I buy this, I would get access to this here instantly. The person whose shop this is would get paid minus the Etsy fees, and that's it. So in terms of building up an online passive income, I don't think there's that many, opportunities like this whereby you can simply do the work once, upload it, and when I say the work, as you've seen over here, we can create hundreds and hundreds of these different math worksheets. We can use the board. You see these borders here? Inside of the software, Ken's put some inside of here for you, but you can also upload your own as well, and it's incredibly cheap. So what I'll do is I'll drop a link below to this over here. I've done a full blog review on this. I've shared, everything about this, and then I've also included some additional things inside of here, like bonuses and other bits. But that software, whereby you can create these printables incredibly quickly, it will cost you, how much is it? From memory, it's $37. Yeah, look, $37 for the software and the training videos. And there's one upsell to this. So you can see here, it's $27. So inside of the software, it comes with 5 decorative borders inside of it, and you get access to everything I've shown you. If you want to pay an additional $27, Ken then gives you an additional 25 additional page borders, which are, if I go back over here to go to borders and then just scroll down here, you can see these are the system borders. So these are the ones that are included, whether you buy the upsell or not. And then all of these additional ones here, these are for the $25 as well. So it's pretty good, I think you will agree. But look, do you need this software to make money with Printables online? No, you absolutely don't. You can go ahead and create these yourself using a free piece of software which is called canva.com. However, if you want to speed up the entire process and, not have to sit and manually, like create one of these and then print another one and create another one, then you can go ahead and check this out. But either way, Printables online, especially over on platforms like Etsy, and focusing on, in this example, these math worksheets, the demand for it, as we can see over here, is just huge. And this is just one way that you can make money with online printables. I've shared a number of videos in the past. Feel free to go ahead and check them out on my channel. But look, there's links to everything down below for you. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.